Okay, so we have the Sony camera set up here. Now I've got it running on an external power supply. What I have here are two Sony BPU batteries. One's obviously a stock Sony and the other is a CastR non-Sony. And then I've got the Makita DC or 20 volt battery. So the camera's running on the DC external source, which is also powering the monitor. And I'm going to put a stock battery in like I would normally have shooting. And the purpose of the test is to see if I lose external power, the battery dies, will it switch over? So I just started recording, which you can see from the LED light. Battery's fully charged here. But what I'm going to do is just unplug it. So if I had to do a battery swap while I was shooting, or if I lost the battery and lost power, to see if it would seamlessly switch over. Now you can just see the monitor shut off, but the camera's still working. The monitor's only source of power is the battery here that I've got connected through a cable. But the camera's still shooting on the internal battery, and I've got the output of the camera that I've taken off the memory card to show that there's really no corruption this whole time that I've been shooting. So now I just plug the battery back in. You'll see the monitor come back online as it restores power to that. And then I'm going to do a number of tests here. I'm going to pull the battery out, the Sony battery, throw in this CastR unit here just to see, does the camera still work? Everything's fine there. And then, remove the DC power supply again. And meanwhile, the whole time the camera's recording just fine. So I think I can say in this short test of a few minutes that the camera doesn't seem to have any issue switching back and forth seamlessly between kind of all power supplies. You can see there that it's still recording and got a bunch of time left on the battery. The external monitor uses quite a lot of power. I'm not sure which is which. I haven't really tested it, but I know from my shooting of hockey games, which are about an hour and a quarter, that those Makita batteries will come off the camera at about still having 60% left. And I've really never even come close to running out. I run out of memory cards before I run out of batteries. So that's my test there. And I'm shooting pretty much all in 4K 60. All right, that's it.